Today I'm heading to Birmingham because there is a professional speaking association summit which is for 3 days, starting with a dinner tonight. But in the meantime I'll do two things which I want to share with you. One, I'll stop in Barrow-in-Furness. There is someone, a deal sourcer, who is passing us deals for management and see how the property looks like, if it does need anything or if it's ready to go, so I can let investor know if we are going for it and if we want to sign up the contract and we will be managing it. And the second thing is I'll be accommodated tonight in one Airbnb. I want to walk you through that Airbnb, see what is in it, what is not there, what could be better, so you have the real example what you should be aware of, what you should be looking out. Alright guys, I have just arrived into the Barrows. Let me show you the property and surroundings. The street. This property. Go in. On the left we have a first room. Yeah. Every room has a TV. It looks like it was an HMO before, because why otherwise there's the upstairs. There are two more rooms. I'll show you. It's a living room. It's a little bit dark in here, which I don't like as much. I mean, this could be put off by on the top, but there'll be kitchen, and also I'll show you upstairs. So you take these stairs. You have one room over here, which is this one. It's not bad. Not bad. Can use some touches, but it's okay. And also this one, there's a table also. This one is a little bit brighter because now it's sun from this side. And the bathroom it looks nice. All weather walls, nice and clean. Hi guys, so I have finished the walk around this house and I have made some notes, so just to be aware of, yeah. So I wrote, fix cables from TV to the wall and hide it. Fake flowers in each room, so we want to a little bit have some flowers to make it a little bit live. White towels and linen to buy, because at the moment it's not white and we prefer white. Also to buy 3 sets of sheets for bed, like linen. We have 3 double beds. Also hanger for coats in the hall. Also some nice 2 canvas in the hall because it's real empty. Change dining table for bigger one, because at the moment there's a dining table, it's only for 3 people, but it's actually, it'll be 3 double beds, so it'll be sleep 6. So if they want to come and really eat together, they could not. So that will be not very nice. I have also buy pillows, 3 for bed, because they are missing some pillows. We want to make the bedding like pop out, like it's very nice. Also I have to buy 11 50 multiplied 50 pillows to design the bed. So like in IKEA when you buy the square pillows. So designs were very nice also, because it makes the bedding like much bigger. And also have to buy some nice blanket over the bed at the start of the bed. When the feet are, you want to have some blanket over there, so it looks nice when it's set up. Bedside table for bottom room and also for the upstairs room, because at the moment there are coffee tables. It's okay, but I think it's better to be bedside tables. It should be with the lamps. Coffee tables will be moved to the living room, because in the living room there is no coffee table at all. Somebody wants to chill out, watch a TV, and have a coffee or some snack. They have nowhere to basically place that. Buy coffee, tea and sugar. There are containers, but they are missing those things. Buy cereals and containers for cereals. We always provide cereals like cornflakes and some Choco Pops. Now I'll be heading to Birmingham to check in into Airbnb, and I'll show you around that Airbnb as well, so you can see what's there, what is good, what is not good. Hi guys, so yesterday evening I didn't manage to make the video of the apartment, the Airbnb, as I promised, because I came, it was already 6:15 and I was supposed to be on this event from 6 o'clock, but luckily it started all at 7 by dinner. But I thought I'll show you around now how it looks like over here, what I think. Living room, 2 TVs, maybe one is not working, I don't know, I haven't tried. It's microwave. That's very interesting. Fire exit only. So there's another door which goes outside probably. I didn't use them. And this is like for your tea, coffee. There is no cooking hob, but probably it was in the description, I don't remember. And that's the room. where I was staying. Yeah. And a bathroom. Yeah. Only thing which I think could be better, a little bit cleanliness. In the bathroom when I arrived yesterday, you could see that it wasn't properly cleaned around the shower. But other than that, it wasn't expensive to stay here for the night. So I think price and value, it's good. Yeah. If I can imagine that I'll come here for I don't know, week, and I'm a worker and I want to work here and I want to have something cheaper. Only my problem would be cooking, because I would like to cook some of my meals more properly. But I understand a lot of people use a microwave and they buy a pre-cooked stuff. So yeah, so other than that, all good.